How are you? You're good.
Yeah.
What is your name? You're Jenny. Okay, Jenny, I have one gift for you. Would you like to have a gift?
Yes.
Okay, just wait a second. Mo. Okay, look at this one.
What is this?
So this is a bubble gun. A fountain you can shoot for. It comes bubbles. Like bubbles comes there. Ma. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Hello, guys. Hello. How are you? How are you? Good play. Tum tap biang.
Biang tum tap.
Yes, biang tum tap.
Nice tum tap.
Yes.
Where are you doing?
I go riangdo.
Riangdo?
Oh.
We are from Riangdo also.
You are from riangdo?
Yes. We came from Shillong.
Shillong?
Yes.
But you stay in riangdo?
Our hometown is Riangdo.
Okay, so you guys are the first riangdo people who I meet.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is
You are
your
the
name?
first. Aki.
Aki.
Yes.
Not
yes.
Arki.
No, what Arki? Aki.
Aki. Oh.
Yes.
I watch you on YouTube.
Oh.
I subscribe.
Oh,
like
thank you. Thank you very much. Bang tum tap. Let's have a photo. Let's have photo. Okay.
Hello, Shayo. Me and my friend Shayo.
Yes,
Paduh.
Yes, now we are
Me
here
also
in...
Paduh.
You are also Paduh?
Yeah.
Nee, that's good. So
you are Paduh. Yeah. We here Paduh.
Oh, two Paduh kasi Paduh Finland, Paduh Nompo.
Shayo.
Shayo.
Hello, Shayo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to know.
Oh, here. Hello, how are you guys? All good. All good. Shayo. Yes. Great to see you guys. Great to see you guys. Okay.
See you in YouTube and
Oh, you have seen?
Instagram.
Oh, did you like?
Yeah.
I hope you like.
Yeah.
My goodness, I like your hat.
I share also.
Oh, thank you. Your hat is amazing. I like you're like a cowboy.
Cowboy, yeah.
Like a riangdo cowboy. Yes. Okay. Shayo. Come no. Klein. Okay. Biang mo. Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh, youngest one. You will get youngest one here. You're welcome. For you, your sisters. Okay, you will get this one. Ma, you get together. You can have together. Ma. Yes, so you can play together. You can share. Ma. Okay. So then there was all the girls. Ma. Okay, so boy. Hello. How are you? You are the man in the house. Okay. Thank you for having me in your house. Ma. Appreciate it. Then you will get this one.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. There is a pen you can write like that. Okay, so what you will choose? What you will choose? Okay, you take that one. Who is the second eldest? You take that one. Oh, the monster truck. Okay, and then okay, so you take that one. And then who's the next? You take the ball, nah? You take that, nah? Okay, and then Otto. Wow, you have the Otto. Nice. And then last, who's the last?
You take this up.
Oh, yes. Yeah.